Modern curb appeal, Cabot, Arkansas, 501-424-8844. Cleaning up the sidewalk, side of a General Steel building. Pre-treating the concrete right now. We're going to let the chemical dwell for about 15 minutes. We're going to hit it with a surface cleaner. As you can see, the chemical has ran off the side of the building where that's already been treated. You have clean streaks. It's only been sitting on there about 5 minutes and the concrete is clean again. Hit it with a surface cleaner. It'll look about as new as you could ever possibly get it. Modern curb appeal, Cabot, Arkansas, 501-424-8844.